1 John 5 verse 14, this is the confidence we have in approaching God, that if we ask anything according to His will, He hears us. James 1 verses 5 to 6, if any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you. But when you ask, you must believe and not doubt. Matthew 7 verse 7, ask and it will be given to you, seek and you will find, knock and the door will be opened to you. Hebrews 4 verse 16, let us then approach God's throne of grace with confidence, so that we may receive mercy and find grace to help us in our time of need. Mark 11 verse 24, therefore I tell you, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours. Jeremiah 29 verse 12, then you will call on me and come and pray to me, and I will listen to you. Philippians 4 verse 6, do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. Romans 8 verse 26, in the same way, the Spirit helps us in our weakness. We do not know what we ought to pray for, but the Spirit Himself intercedes for us through wordless groans. Psalm 145 verse 18, the Lord is near to all who call on Him, to all who call on Him in truth. John 14 verse 13, and I will do whatever you ask in my name, so that the Father may be glorified in the Son. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.